What's up, guys?
It's Cody.
And Cody.
Back at it. Day 2 of Daytona here. Just from pulling in, we've already seen a bunch more trucks, some different vehicles. The vendors, they've swapped out some of the builds, so there's a little bit more to look at. So we're just basically gonna jump right into it, just like we did day 1. Go ahead and show you guys what else is out here and see what we can find.
Look at that orange GMC.
Oh yeah, we got another pumpkin build over there.
Orange.
Yeah, she purdy.
Bunch of Rams in the lot today.
Yeah.
Ram.
We're ramming it. We were prepared today. We went ahead and set up the canopy. Got the chairs, got the cooler.
This thing's super clean.
Right here, JTX Ford,
Sick.
from 20 by 10 to 30 by 16. Dozens of different styles to choose from.
Well, look at this
Finishes.
That's riff wrap.
What?
It's literally got it on there.
Yeah, we need one of these.
A 4-lug on something this big?
Yeah.
That's crazy.
Specifically made for it. It's a quad, you guys. Hey.
Guys, get the JTX perfect.
We're in the JTX Ford. This thing's pretty sick.
Yeah, just remember, let's get a bunch of the
Look at these wild things.
This thing is lame, man. What? That is bad.
This thing's insane. What are you doing?
Just chilling, you know. About to see if we can get a little photo shoot with Lacey Blair over here.
Lacey.
What's up, guys? It's Lacey here. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe.
Well, that was cool.
Yeah.
Oh, look at this stuff.
Wow, there's all the small wheels for the golf carts and stuff.
Oh yeah, the ATVs. Hell yeah.
That's cool as shit, bro.
Hell yeah.
I guess for the side by side.
Yeah.
Fucking on your bitch, yeah, cooking up dope in the crock pot.
I like those. The ones at the bottom?
Yeah.
I have to put you on my shoulder, see if we're taller than
You wanna do that? Yeah?
He's gonna get on his shoulders. There you go. Yeah, I was gonna say, do your C's. There you go. You just want to stay up there?
all sweat.
Right?
I was like,
Dude, I felt so tall. Like, if I would, yeah.
That's not literally. You could be just tall enough to open that door.
Yeah, it'd have to be one of me, one of you.
Right here, we're gonna put you in the truck. And
Right.
Pull me in.
I got back there.
This thing is crazy. There you go.
That shit's great, bro. The whole interior's on.
That's crazy.
It's all diamond stitch.
Yeah.
I literally felt AC coming out of the truck.
Really?
It's on.
No.
Oh man, that's the cleanest truck here.
Real choo-choo.
Oh, that's a cool name. I like that.
That's that truck that Whistle and Nickel destroyed.
The first one? Yeah. Damn.
Oh wow.
That's crazy.
That's like probably 2 of the
That's
6
hard.
packs of mine.
That's crazy.
That's pretty dope. That's a nice setup.
Wow. Crazy truck.
Cool.
Whistling Diesel's ass was in that seat?
Right?
Go, babe. What you doing? I'm trying to get a shot of him rolling by. All right, babe. Jesus. Never too old for Hot Wheels. That's so cool.
Sub setup.
Yeah, that's cool.
Damn, everybody leaving or what?
I guess. Yeah, bro, I like these setups, man.
Like the unpolished aluminum?
I don't like that, the aluminum.
Like it?
Nah. I mean, it's like,
I like it better than the polished aluminum.
Yeah.
Where it looks chrome.
I mean, it matches the. Oh, look, they over here switching it. Hell yeah. That's dope.
Give me one of that, bro.
Any level?
Yeah. Man, look at the paint on it.
Yeah.
Oh, I hope the camera picks that
You should be scared. Storms coming, you should go inside and prepare. No shortcuts, I feel it's no girl I cannot get. I'm not.
Big old tire.
That's on 28s. I thought it was 30s.
Damn, all black everything. That's nice. Yeah, that's clean.
I wonder if that's a future color change. You guys like country music?
Do what?
Country music?
I actually don't.
Yeah, I don't like it either.
Yeah.
Serious.
was cool, man. I thought it was kind of, at first I thought it was just going to be like, oh, well, we already came the first day, so it's like there ain't really much to see. But there's actually like some cool new stuff here. Super dope, honestly. Like, I would say this was a really good first experience on what it's like to go to Daytona Beach.
Oh yeah, dude.
Or Daytona truck meet, you know. But
you want a truck?
yeah, no, I definitely I could see myself building a truck, man.
Let's see them 4Gs real quick.
Yeah.
Caught that.
Yeah, they probably did. That'll be a quick
He was
one.
going too fast.
Right. No, I definitely want a truck, so that's probably gonna be here in the future.
Hell yeah.
I think that's it for Daytona.
Yeah. I'll stay humble and be honest and say we didn't really win any trophies, so
Yeah.
we probably won't be showing up tomorrow.
Nah.
We're gonna go do a beach day with the family and
Yes,
enjoy
sir.
it.
Oh yeah.
Enjoy the white sand and clear waters, unlike Texas.
Yeah, right?
Dirty.
Yeah, I might actually be able to see our feet when it's in the water, you know?
I'm trying to see a sea turtle.
If you guys did make it to the end of this video, please feel free to hit the like button. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and leave a comment below and let us know what you like and what your favorite truck was. But that's going to be it for this video, guys. Thank you guys for watching, and we're out.